Fred Haas Toyota World is the #1 automotive dealer in Texas because we know price sells cars. Plus, it's Fred Haas's goal to save every buyer $2,000. Honesty, integrity, and customer service. That's Fred Haas Toyota World. Here's the vehicle for you.
Loyalty that spans decades has to be earned. Built for off-roading and luxury, the Toyota Land Cruiser is the culmination of over 60 years of fearless exploration across 7 continents. The Land Cruiser is available in a single, well-appointed trim level. Of course, this SUV comes with all the features you need to conquer the wild, like a powerful V8, full-time 4-wheel drive, crawl control with off-road turn assist, and kinetic dynamic suspension. The luxurious interior keeps you cozy in the harshest environments with heated and ventilated front seats, 4-zone automatic climate control, and an available rear seat DVD system. Second and third row seats fold out of the way so you can bring over 80 cubic feet of supplies, and a center console cooler keeps cold beverages at the ready. The Entune infotainment system with integrated navigation and app suite brings Bluetooth, Sirius XM satellite radio, and hands-free phone technologies, while Toyota Safety Sense P brings driver assist technologies like pedestrian detection and lane departure alert. Choose from a variety of colors and accessories and build a Land Cruiser that's all yours. The Toyota Land Cruiser, an adventure icon.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. And with over 1,200 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, we're sure to have what you're looking for. Come experience the Fred Haas Toyota World commitment to customer satisfaction. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.